Now we're going to show you how to clean the wastewater tank lid in an 801 model. So you'll notice on the 801, the sensor is at the top. So you've got a little sensor because it works different to the 803. You've got your little bin picture there. That's where all the dirty water goes in. Take the lid off, give that a good rinse. Any detergent in there is fine. Give that a good clean so it doesn't smell. Now, this hole here can get blocked. So give it a poke with a paper clip or a toothpick to get the gunk out. Give the sensors a bit of a wipe. You can just give it a wipe with an ordinary Scotch-Brite scouring pad. Pull out the filter, just wiggle that out. You've got your green and your black. When you install it, the black faces up. I'm going to show you how to clean that in a minute. But most importantly, these two little sensors here, over time, gunk, dirt, anything can build up on them and give a false signal. So what you do is take it out, use an ordinary Scotch-Brite scouring pad or steel wool and give them a scrub until they are clean. So scrub them really well until they go back to their golden colour or brassy colour it should be, okay? And that will stop the false signal from occurring on your wastewater tank. Check the filter, pull this apart, give it a clean, wash it, put it back together again. Gunk can build up in there. And then when you're putting it back in, make sure the black bit is facing upwards, okay? Not this way, okay? That won't work. If you got it that way, the machine won't work. You need to make sure that the black bit, the green bit goes in first, the black bit goes in and faces upwards. Give those a good clean. Make sure the rubber is in its correct position and it hasn't spun around. So sometimes the rubber, if it gets a bit loose, it can move and it won't work properly. So the corners, so when you take that off, see how it's got a shape? You have to match that up with the corners. So not that way. The flat side, I don't know if you can see that, I'll hold that still, the flat side faces upwards, okay? Or the thin side, I should say. Put that back on. Make sure the corners line up. Make sure the filter's in with the black facing up. You've cleaned the filters, the sensors, I should say, and then you're ready to go. Put it back together again and sits on there. If you need any further help or that hasn't solved the problem, make contact with us and we'll sort it out for you.